Hi, in this video, we will see how glass are made and manufactured and what are the raw material it requires. So glass requires sand as a main constituent raw material. Yes, sand which is widely available. Along with the sand, it requires two more elements which is soda ash and limestone. So here you can see that it is mixed with limestone and soda ash in order to decrease the melting temperature. So here one person puts the mixture of sand, soda ash and limestone into a kiln or a furnace that is heated up to 2300 degree Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the sand becomes molten and start glowing like lava, though it is not lava. So it is in a liquid state at this stage, and it can be dropped on a plain sheet to form a glass plate. But later on we will see how glass plates are even developed in a more efficient manner. So here is one example or one application of the glass is glass vase that is done via putting the molten glass at one end of the pipe, and one person blows it, forms a vessel kind of a shape with a design, and with slowly applying different types of glass texture and giving it a shape and then slowly rolling it, it solidifies. So here a craftsman is making a glass swan. So any shape can be acquired. It requires some certain skills. So this is another application of making utensils out of glass. So here one die is there, a ball die, in which we put a semi-molten glass lump, and this glass lump will be pressed inside this cavity and it will acquire a shape of a glass bowl. So this is right now at very quite heated state. It is cooled subsequently and then moved on to the different processes like polishing, tempering in order to provide adequate strength. Once the glass ball is ready after tempering process, it will be manually inspected in order to find any defect, and then it will be moved for the packaging section. Now, the best method of making a glass sheet, which we typically used in window panes, in buildings or windshields, is that the molten glass is poured over a molten tin. Because tin is a metallic, it is much heavy or dense, so the molten glass floats over it, and as it passes, its temperature is gradually reduced. So from 2300 degrees Celsius, it is reduced up to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, it is passed to a cutting machine where the glass plate is cut into a particular dimension so that it can be used accordingly. So guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you'll be always updated about our new upcoming video. Thank you.